Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Yeah, cool like a star. Come to the top of the car. You don't know about the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. I keep it still for the wall. Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
Lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot in Treasure Tree. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her neck to me. I did a walk through that, sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms were particular. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest, babe. Still not understanding this logic. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody some next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fit up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for a girl, just say.
Take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to Show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you sing my name, sing my name?
Here it's giving.
It ain't no that. Baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? The most, but we take a picture, keep posting.
I wanna make sure my camera don't die. This is the color.
Alone, I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Yeah, Julio.
And this, you can wear it any style. I love it. Beautiful. The foam I'll be using is Lotta Body.
All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face.
How I actually put like the crochet pieces in, but what I did was I just used I put it in was I just used crochet needle, and I'll take like a plait or so, and I'll just put it in hook, and then I'll do like 2 knots, and then until I feel like I'm satisfied with like how it's looking, then I'll stop, or I had more and stuff like that. But right now it's looking good. I'm satisfied with how much I put in there. I didn't want to put a lot, and I didn't put none on the ends because I just feel like the ends are just straight. I didn't put any on the ends because I just feel like I didn't need any. But everything else, beautiful. Love it. I'll show y'all the length in the back to show y'all how long it is. It's very long. It's like past my behind. So I'm gonna show y'all. Let me zoom out.
No, tell me to throw it back.
So this I was looking, and I'm gonna insert a clip that I dipped the hair and everything before I add the pieces. I just put a streak of like blue and stuff in it because I hate plain black. Like I just can't do my hair when it comes to braid and like just all black because that's just not my style. But this I was looking around, you know, and you can put this in any style you want to. I did a middle part and a side part because I'm a side part girl, but just in case I want a middle part, I could still do a middle part if I want to. Y'all don't mind the blue hair because I'm not good at like hiding your natural hair with colored hair. I'm not good with that. But I'm good with feeding in. I'm just not good with like covering it up. So but I'm satisfied with it. It don't bother me, but just in case y'all are like, oh, we see black like in the blue and stuff, like it's because like I don't know how to do it and I never tried. But as I was looking, this is the style I decided to go with. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to press the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.